12mm small button switch is widely used in a fields of mechanical equipment, electronic products, and industrial automation. The switch has the characteristics of small size, lightweight, safety and reliability, and can meet the needs of different users. In the field of industrial automation, this switch is widely used to control a variety of mechanical equipment, such as conveyor belts, pumps, valves, etc. FILN Company stands out as a specialist in customizing and developing push-button switches. How to wire a push-button switch 12mm. This push-button switch has only 2 switch pins, one of which is C and one normally open contact. Connect the positive pole of the battery to the switch pin C. Connect the node to the positive pole of the device, and connect the negative pole of the battery to the negative pole of the device as the picture shows. When the button is pressed, the normally open contact is closed, a path is formed, and the device starts to work. FILN takes pride in offering a wide variety of terminal connections based on specific client requirements.